Alright, so the latest thing we have here is the seedlings that I'll be ready to transplant for hopefully our fall garden. I got some different tomato plants here, different varieties of cherry, the blueberry tomato, which is a cherry, and the pear tomato. So we'll be planting those here pretty soon. The other thing I have here, believe it or not, sesame seeds. Yeah, just a little experiment. I put these sesame seeds out, and I'm just bringing them out from the inside where I was growing them from seed with the grow lamp. So now I'm getting them out here to get used to the higher temperature. And they look like they're doing pretty good. We'll see, as a little fun experiment, sesame seeds. Of course, I got the rosella or hibiscus here. They're starting to get the true leaves, and I think I'm going to plant those in front. We cleaned out an area in front of the house. We'll put those there. I have two cardoons that I started again because they were getting too much sun as I transplanted them, so I'm going to put those in once they get a little bit bigger. The aquaponics, so I mean, it's summer and lettuce here. This has just been kind of an experiment. It's a little leggy, a little stringy, but I mean, it is growing and it is lettuce, so that's a pretty good experiment so far. And then I had a few other lettuce plants that I started in the aquaponics. Hopefully maybe they're not as leggy as when I was doing the first batch, so we'll see how these look. And of course, this is one pak choi that seems to be growing the best out of all of them, and that was one that didn't get eaten when I put it out, so we'll see what that does. And then of course, I have a little experiment there of putting it in this unusual container. It's an old Tide pod container, painted black so that it doesn't grow the fungus and algae and all that stuff if it's a clear container. Anyways, but these containers here, these are like 10-gallon flat kind of containers from Lowe's. They seem to be pretty good. I cut the holes in. They're kind of the right size, right shape for maybe this aquaponics stuff, so we'll do that. But anyways, I'll have a busy activity kind of potting these things up and putting them out in the garden here very soon. Alright, let's see what the rest of the garden is doing as well.